Guys, so in a previous video I discussed about concepts of a concept related to life cycle methods. So now we have basic idea about these state life cycle methods and class based component. So now we can go ahead and we can create our very first major project, and that is this image search application. And guys, trust me, after the completion of this particular project you will be getting a lot of idea about these particular state concept, life cycle methods, and basically what we can say overall class based component. And why I'm calling this one a major project, because guys, I'm not going to write a lot of code, or I'm not going to create a lot of files, but I'm going to clear a lot of concepts. So in this particular project I'm going to discuss everything in detail and concept related to these life cycle methods. Why are we using life cycle methods, where we are using them, where we are defining a state, and where we are using class based component. All these things I'm going to discuss in detail. So that from that perspective it is going to be a major project for us. And again guys, I in this particular video I wanted to give an overview to the application, that what we are actually going to implement. So as name is already suggesting us, we are going to create a search engine that is going to basically display images. And so where a user can search for any term, and that term, according to that search term, we are going to display this. So suppose if I change the term here, and suppose I search for games, so I will be getting the similar images. So that is our project is all about. This project is completely dynamic, so whatever the change we are going to do in code, it is going to respond to that particular changes. So suppose right now we are getting 10 images. So suppose if I change param, so basically I am using some unsplash API that provides free images, and I will be discussing about all of that in when we are going to implement that project, that how to connect to this API, and how to get images, how to fetch images, and how to display them over the browser and everything. And again guys, suppose I change this term here, and I change to like I want 15 items per page, and if I save my application right now, so now you can see basically I am going to get the yeah. So let me again search for anything, like this time again right now search for cars. So right now you can see I'm going to get 15 images. So according to that, whatever we are going to write here, according to that our application is going to perform. So guys, that was the that was the video all about. But again, one more thing I want to discuss. I'm basically I've used semantic UI for designing this application formula, for to give design to this particular application. I've used a semantic UI, so for this layout and everything, and for to define this particular segment or search box and everything. So I want you guys to get familiar with this semantic UI. It is similar to Bootstrap, only like you can define some class name, and that class name will be containing some classes, and according to the those classes you will be getting a UI here, or you will be getting design here. So just get familiar, because our focus is on React development, so I'm not going to discuss about everything like this in detail. Means this particular part related to this semantic UI I'm not going to discuss in detail, because ultimately our focus is on React. So I will be discussing like why we are using this function and how we are using them. So just get familiar about this particular semantic UI ultimately, because I do not want that you guys get confused while I'm explaining this concept and you are getting confused here. So just try to get an idea. Ultimately I'm going to discuss a little bit about it, but not in detail. So because ultimately our focus is on React development, not on this particular what we can say designing part. So that is the project is all about. And again guys, in a single video it is not it is not possible to complete this complete project. And again, since we are going to discuss a lot of concepts, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide this application in different parts. Suppose in first video I will be creating this particular header and search box. In second video I will be trying to create a different division here, or container you can say. There I will be trying to display some results. So that way we are going to move forward in this particular what we can say project. And again, I'm going to create a separate playlist for this particular project, and there will be I will be uploading videos regarding this particular project. And there I guess in 5 or 6 videos I can complete this project. And again, there may be more videos related to this one. So guys, just join this series, and ultimately again I assure you, after the completion of this particular project, your concept regarding this class based component and everything related to that, like life cycle methods and state concepts, your concepts are going to get lot stronger. So just join this series, and let's meet in the next video. Okay guys, thank you.